welcome back to a new What I Eat in a Day video. Let's take a little moment here that I am wearing color. I normally don't do that and I'm really digging it. I love it. It's a set from Gymshark. Anyway, today is a really big day and we're going to celebrate a little bit because my own fitness platform is live today, which you guys definitely should check out. And we're talking about it a little bit later. I started my morning with a really big matcha, obviously Neko Hama, the only one I can drink without any milk. I'm also very happy because I cleaned my kitchen yesterday and it is very clean. I always feel like more, I don't know, more at ease, or just like I enjoy cooking so much more when everything is kind of like organized. Last week I shared some photos and like videos of the renovation on Instagram, which you definitely should check out because it's really amazing, and I can finally share some more. So I think soon I will do like a home house tour or something. Anyway, I am pre-workout right now. I'm going to, is that a sentence? I don't know. I'm going to make a little breakfast and then yeah, see what I'm cooking up today. I honestly have been really bad in doing groceries and like planning out meals lately, so we're just gonna improvise today. So I have like a bowl here. Lately I've been obsessed with cashew butter. Cashew butter everything. I don't know why, I've never been really like an almond butter girl. To me it just didn't taste as good, but cashew butter is just so creamy. It's kind of sweet and I really like it. I am going to put this one, it's a lavi, and it is actually a dark chocolate cashew butter. So I think that is going to be amazing with the raspberry situation I have here. This breakfast actually looks amazing. I have some banana, raspberries, cheesy pudding. I will pop up the recipe right here. And then the chocolate superfood cashew butter on top. That looks incredible. Okay, I'm gonna try this. The combination of the chocolate with the raspberries is so nice. I love putting frozen fruits in my chia seed pudding. It has a little bit more texture, more flavor. It's really good. Yeah. Talk, because in the last few weeks we've been working really hard on getting the name for the wellness platform ready. It is currently in the process of being trademarked, but I did not want the launch to delay, so it is going to be the Sanne Vloet.co platform, and I'm about to set it live right now. I'm so extremely nervous. I start to talk really fast, my hands are really hot. It is really exciting, and I also just really want to thank all of you. Without this incredible, amazing community, I think I would have never figured out that this is something I really want to do, and like something what I'm so passionate about, to really bring, I don't know, like food and fitness together and like kind of be all on this like same health journey, and to kind of really find balance and to help and impact other people. I think I would have never really believed in myself that I was able to do that without you. That's it. Without the comments, without like the messages, I think I would have never found that like confidence and belief that I was like, hey, we can do this. I just really wanted to mention that. I am going to put the website live right now and give you guys a little bit of preview of what is on there. So there we go, 3, 2, 1. So if you land on the landing page, you will find my own website with all the classes available, from Pilates, stretches, HIIT workouts, and much more. We are going to be adding the nutrition and food part hopefully in a couple months. It takes a little bit more time to develop all of that, but we're working really hard to get that ready. I will put a link in it down below. Click to be one of the early birds. I have like some fun little surprises. Sign up and yeah, become part of the journey. I can't really believe it. Guys, we need to do a little dance. Woo! It is live! I can't believe it! Oh my god. This is a really big moment. This is a really, really, really big moment. And it's amazing. Okay. Well, yeah. I guess we're just gonna continue with what I eat in a day. Who could have ever thought that my earliest what I eat in a day videos when I was prepping for the VS show would lead to this? Like, it is incredible. It is amazing. Sometimes you just do not know what's in front of you. Join, sign up, and yeah, this is very exciting. Alrighty. We are going to make some lunch today. I found some sweet potatoes somewhere in one of my fruit baskets. So I was maybe thinking to do like a spinach salad with some roasted sweet potatoes, maybe some avocado and like an egg and a miso dressing. Lately I've been loving miso dressing. So yeah, let's get cooking. Okay, I'm not super happy how all of these came out. It was more like chips rather than like big pieces. And these are looking pretty roasty, but yeah, I'm just going to put this together into a salad. I don't know why, but I really love spinach base. It's the best. I feel I'm making the same type of salad over and over and over, but it's just the best. Yeah, so this bag of spinach, make it. Okay, this is lunch for today. I have a spinach salad with cauliflower, sweet potato, soft-boiled eggs, some sauerkraut, which is an amazing fermented food, and then I'm going to have it with a poppy, which is like a healthy soda type of thing. It's still pretty sweet, so I have like half of it. So yeah, a nice, nourishing bowl. Sometimes people ask like where I find recipe ideas. I think it's often from like kind of restaurants where I'm going. If I really love a dish, I'm like, oh, how or what kind of ingredients do I have, or I kind of like try to remake it. There's this one salad from Goop Kitchen. Obviously Goop is Gwyneth Paltrow, who absolutely adore. I love what I don't know, what she's all doing in the whole like wellness space. And Goop Kitchen is like a food delivery here, and it's absolutely delicious. And they have this one miso salmon salad. I loved it so much, so this is kind of a take on it. It has like the sweet potato, the egg, and the miso dressing, but it's really delicious. It is dinner time and I am hungry, and I was thinking, what am I going to make? I had salmon in the fridge, and then I realized, or not realized, but I was like, wow, we've come a far way from my first ever what I eat in a day videos. I don't know if you remember that salmon I made with the Dijon mustard and like filled with like cheese and spinach, and it was so delicious. I think it went like super viral. But for anyone who's new here, I'm going to like make it again. I think it's just gonna be salmon with some like veggies in my air fryer, because I love my air fryer. By the way, if you don't have an air fryer, you definitely need one. I don't even know what brand this is. I think we just got it on Amazon, but it's incredible. I'm going to look it up for you and also link this down below. So yeah, we're gonna make some salmon with carrots and some potatoes. Yep. So until like 2 weeks ago, I did not have a microwave, which is literally crazy. I was so against it, same as air fryer. I got a microwave and it changed my life. I love it. Something I have really been loving is making little potatoes. So I'm gonna microwave them so it's easy, and then I just put them a couple minutes in the air fryer. It's delicious. Dinner's ready. Dinner is ready. It is salmon with feta and spinach, roasted carrots, roasted potatoes, vegan mayonnaise, and some pickles. Yum! And the face of Pellegrino presents you some Pellegrino.
Matcha and Pellegrino wrote that.
Yum! Yeah, this looks great.